This is John with SeductionUnleashed.com, helping you unleash your best with women and beyond. And today's topic is the 3 lies that society has told you about women. Without wasting any time, number 1, women like nice guys. Listen, man, I've heard this shit time and time again. I know you've heard this shit time and time again. This shit is a no-brainer. We all know this shit is a big fat fucking lie. It doesn't really take a genius to see that as soon as you act really nice and supplicating to women, you compliment them, you never ever once check them on their shit, you'll soon find that you will end up in the friend zone and you're not gonna be that ladies man. You'll find that out very soon. Matter of fact, my big awakening to this, I always refer to this story because I've referred to it in the podcast, and I always refer to it because it happened at such an early age, and it happened in middle school to one of my buddies, or a kid that I was cool with. He seemed like a chill kid. He had a chick in class, and she was one of the hottest chicks in class. This girl, there was rumors going around that she liked him, and from everything that you would see from the signs, it seemed like she legitimately liked him. So everything's going cool, right? All of a sudden, Valentine's Day comes up. So he decides, in his great master plan, to come to school with a bag full of Valentine's shit. I'm talking like sparkles, banners, like the whole fucking 9. There's chocolate, there's literally balloons hanging off the shit. I'm talking like he's walking down the street with giant fucking balloons all over him, just all over him. And he gives that shit to her. He gives her the bag. And you know what happens? In the bag, there was a letter, just to cap things off, just to put that fucking cherry on top. There was a letter. He gave this to her in the middle of lunchtime. I mean, everyone was awing, like she was put on the spot. Like, it was a big fucking scene. And you know what happened? By the end of the day, he was fucking friend zoned. She broke the kid's heart and told him that she didn't like him. And the truth was that she did like him. Originally, she really actually did like him. But as soon as he played all his cards out, as soon as he spilled his heart out without having her jump through any hoops, she stepped all over that shit. And the reason why this example always comes to me time and time again is because it's like the original. It's like the original moment. And because it happened at such a young age. This isn't like some chick who's had like 25 years of superficial conditioning, and like we're kids, you know what I mean? So when you see shit at an early age, clearly there's something going down that is not being spoken about in TV, by people, by adults, when people talk about this little thing called dating. And if it's your first time here, bro, and you're interested in dating, relationships, self-improvement, and motivational content, start now by hitting that subscribe and bell notification button so you can join that Unleashed notification gang, bro, so you don't miss anything. So with that being said, let's get back to the video. Lie number 2, she left you for XYZ reasoning. This is one of my personal favorites because you will find that every time, say like you're talking to a girl and she tells you about her breakups or why she broke up with boyfriend, she'll tell you all types of reasons, like, oh, his mother was overbearing, or oh, he cheated on me, or oh, he did certain things to me, and it all types of crazy different reasons. You'll even hear chicks say, oh, I broke up with him because he was too hairy or some, all types of dumb shit. Yet, up until that whole point of the relationship, you were cool with it, and then suddenly you were not cool with it. That doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. Here's where I'm going with this. Bitches lie. They lie their motherfucking ass off. So when girls say that they broke up with a dude for XYZ reasoning, 99% of the time, it's bullshit. Let me tell you the 2 real reasons why 99.9% of bitches break up with dudes. They break up with dudes because they either lost attraction, they lost the spark, whatever, or they met someone else to monkey branch off of that they happen to have liked more. Those are the only 2 real reasons. Everything else is just a cover story to change that fact. Because trust me, if you go through crazy relationships with bitches, you'll see that they will go through all types of crazy shit. But if you remain that motherfucker, if you remain that dude who can spike their emotions sexually, seriously, emotionally, every kind of way, a lot of that logical shit, that XYZ reasoning, it goes out the fucking window. That's why when girls say that shit, I know they're full of shit. I know they're lying on the spot. I'm just looking at them like, yeah, I'm sure that's why you broke up with him. Yeah. Or it just got boring and you just didn't like the motherfucker anymore, or you just met another dude and you monkey branched off to him. That's pretty much 99% of all chicks' breakup stories. That's the truth. Bitches watching this right now are gonna lie their ass off, but deep down inside they know. Go ahead, look through all your relationships right now. Think about it. Exactly. Tell me I'm lying. Bitch, you know I'm not lying. Once you're able to read a chick's body language, and you can see, you know, even just through her eyes alone, you can see whether or not that spark is there. You'll see whether or not she's losing attraction, she's starting to fade away. A lot of guys, we don't, because chicks, let's be honest, they do a good job of playing it off, of being like, haha, yeah, baby, yeah. Meanwhile, the whole time, their vagina is drying up, and they're falling out of love with you, and you're fucking a hopeless, clueless bum, and you don't even fucking realize it. Meanwhile, this bitch is already eyeing some cute guy at work, and you're here, and then she tells you, oh no, I'm breaking up because I'm going off, and you know, I just need space, or there's a lot of shit going on in my life. My uncle, grandma's dog's cousin just died, and a bunch of bullshit. It's bullshit. I'm telling you, man. I know it sounds harsh at times, but trust me, women follow their heart and they follow their emotion. They're not just gonna stop fucking with you because of some XYZ reason, unless their heart and their vagina stops tingling for you. Bullshit lie number 3. Society tells us that women, or at least at the very least, society implies that women are the romantic sex. They imply that women are the hopeless romantics and men are the horny dogs, that we're just the horn dogs who just want to go around and fuck everything that moves, and women are the romantic ones truly looking for love. Bullshit. First of all, let's get something off the bat real quick. Does a girl entice you? Does a girl sweep you off your feet? No. It's your fucking job. It's your fucking job to sweep her off her feet. So what does that mean? While you're there slaying dragons, she's there watching you slay dragons. So tell me, if I'm slaying dragons, if I'm planning romantic dinners, if I'm the one kissing you up and down and seducing you, or making the sexual tension happen, starting the kisses, starting the dates, slaying the dragons, protecting us, you know, setting up our chariot ride across Central Park and all this type of bullshit, tell me, how exactly does that make you the romantic sex? Bitch, it sounds like I'm the romantic one. I'm one romantic motherfucker. I'm doing fucking everything. It's ironic because chicks, if you go on Facebook, if you go on social media, so much of their identity is about fucking dating. Tell me, how many statuses from dudes do you read about like romantic quotes and philosophy and a bunch of fortune cookie shit about relationships and love and dating and sex and all this shit? It's constantly coming from women. That's what the fuck kills men so much. That's what kills me so much, is because so many women, they have this identity of their dating life and their romance, where it seems like for us, for men, like our main purpose in life, our dating, our love life, you know, our spouse, that's like the side thing. That's like the secondary to our main purpose in life. Whereas with a lot of bitches, it seems like their main purpose in life is dating and love and all that shit. And their main destiny in life is like the actual side thing, just to get to that fucking dating and love. And here's the thing. That wouldn't be a problem for me if bitches actually put in effort. But they don't. That's what the fuck kills me, is because you have all these women. They're constantly talking about dating. They're constantly talking about relationships. They're constantly reading, novels, romantic novels, watching shit about dating and all this shit, talking about it. Yet, meanwhile, it's like, bitch, what the fuck do you even do to be romantic? When's the last time your girlfriend ever left a fucking trail of rose petals to the bed, or surprised you with some every time you hear shit, it's always, oh man, you gotta surprise her and you gotta do this. And it's like, when's the last time a bitch ever threw a surprise for you? Go ahead, I'll wait. It's not often. I'm not saying it doesn't happen. I'm not saying there aren't some cool ass girls out there who surprise you with awesome gifts and all types of shit, because there are, but the far majority of chicks, their inherent base in our dynamic, even conversational wise, I have to start everything. It's like you sit there and decide if you feeling the situation or not. I'm doing fucking everything. I'm spinning tops and juggling chainsaws and shit, and yet you're the romantic one? How the fuck are you the romantic one? Please, someone answer this shit in the comments. If you come up with a great answer, I will delete this fucking video. I'll delete it on the spot. Because if you can explain this shit to me, this fuckery to me, I will so gladly shake your hand. Whoever you are, male, female, midget, fucking tranny, I don't give a fuck. I'll do it. Now I know this is kind of turning into a bit of an unleashed rant, but it just kills me, man. It kills me, seriously. You don't ever think about this shit. You never thought once like, hey man, I'm the fucking white knight. You're just some bitch on the horse following me. So if you enjoyed that kick-ass video and you want to see more on dating, relationships, self-improvement, and motivational content, start now by hitting that button right there. Hit that bitch right there so you can join that Unleash notification gang, bro, so you don't miss anything. So with that being said, gentlemen, unleash your best, and remember, till next time, confidence is bred by competence. Peace.